Hello everyone, and welcome back to yet another HTML video. In this video we're going to be going over tables in HTML. So to get started with a table, you need to type out the table tags, the opening and closing tag. So I've already done that. I have a heading. So basically this is just the name of the table. The idea for this video is to create a table for the operating hours of a gym. Save it, and it's just an empty table for now. So in the table, we need to have two rows, one for the data and one for the days. So you start off with TR, which is table row. You have one row, and let's just copy and paste. And so with each row, we need a table heading, which is TH. And here, we're going to write out the days of the week. So here we have the days of the week. For each day we need to have some hours underneath it to show the time. So for each cell there's a TD tag. So the TD tag is table data. So this one is for the first one. So here we type, say it's closed on the weekend, so closed. And then for the other days, say for Monday, we want it to be open from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. And then same for all other days. And then it's closed again on Saturday. And that's basically it for how to make a table in HTML, but you can add some more things to the table. So for the table, we can have a background color, which is BG color, and that equals to, say, black. We want to have a black background, sorry. And then you can edit the width of it. So width equals to, say, 1000 pixels. Save, and it's completely dark. So you can change some things around to fix that. For the row, we can have BG color, background color, equals to gray. And so now we can see the days of the week. And for the next row, we can have background color equals to light gray. Save that, and you can see it much better now. For the table heading, you can also change the table heading and make the width of it different. So say we want to make it 100. Save that, and it's different now. For Sunday only, as you can see, all the other days are much bigger than Sunday. So you can copy paste, save that, and then they're much bigger now. For this row, you can also align the words. So you can have the text on the left, right, or center. Here you type align center, and as you can see, the data is now in the middle, whereas before it wasn't. And that's basically it for tables in HTML. If you want to practice, I'll give you a practice assignment, which is remake a table for the operating hours of a store near you, and try to do it without looking at this code or the code that you've typed before. Just do it from scratch. All you need to know are the table opening and closing tags, the table tags, the table row tags, the table heading, and the table data tags. And that's really all you need to do. And then in the tag itself, if you want to change the background color, you just add BG color for rows, table, whatever it is. And you can then change the width around, the length, you can align it. So that's your assignment if you want to practice some more. If you learned something new, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.